This 2011 Ford Super Duty F250 is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. Just in 2011 Ford Super Duty F250 XLT Edition. 6.2 V8 engine. 4x4. EXT cab. Short bed no bed. Runs and drives. No rust clean truck. Serviced and ready to go. $2,500 under KBV price. We beat everyone's prices, nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures, auto check available on every vehicle. Must see IT, call us today 330-475-4817, or for more picks and deals like this one please visit www.onlineautowarehouse.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals on diesel trucks, crew cab, EXT cab, quad cab, king cab, Ford Powerstroke 6.4, 7.3, 6.0, 6.7, F250, F350, F450, F550, 2500, 3500 dually Dodge Cummins 5.9, 6.7 GMC Duramax 6.6 Chevrolet Duramax any